Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by combining 1 part white granulated sugar with 4 parts water. Heat the water until the sugar fully dissolves, stirring until clear. This prevents graininess and mimics nectar concentration. Once done, let the solution cool to room temperature so you don't harm birds. Make sure to use plain white sugar only, because other sugars can rot feeders or hurt hummingbirds. This rapid first step gets you a safe, stable liquid that closely matches natural flower nectar and is easy to store. You now focus on cooling and preparing the feeder. After the syrup reaches room temperature, sanitize the feeder with hot water and a brush. Avoid soaps that leave residues. Make sure all ports are clear, then fill only to the indicated level to prevent dripping or spills. Once filled, tighten lids and gently invert to check for leaks. Position the feeder in partial shade to slow fermentation and make sure it's visible to hummingbirds but safe from predators. You finish by establishing a maintenance routine to keep birds healthy. Replace the nectar every 3 to 5 days in heat and weekly when cooler, because fermentation and mold can form quickly. If you see cloudiness, bubbles, or an off smell, discard the solution immediately, scrub the feeder with hot water, rinse thoroughly, and refill with fresh syrup. Make sure to address pests. Add an ant moat or sticky barrier if ants arrive. This keeps hummingbirds safe and coming back.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.